everyone, in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to download Happymod on your iOS device. Whether it's an iPhone or iPad, let's get started. First, go to your device's settings. Scroll down and select General. Under General, look for Background App Refresh. Make sure this is turned on. If it's off, you'll need to disable Low Power Mode, which will automatically turn on Background App Refresh. Now open a web browser. I recommend using Safari. In the address bar, type in the official website, happymod.com. Once you're on the site, click Download, and then click Download again to confirm it. The app will now begin downloading to your device. After the download, go back to Settings and navigate to General. Scroll down and select VPN and Device Management. You should see an option to install the Happymod profile. Click on it and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once you've installed the profile, you're all set. Happymod is now ready to use on your device. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.